approve, old business, discussion approve payments to McRow in the total of unpaid amount of $13,175 tabled from January 22nd, 2025 meeting.
I'll move to take it off the table.
Okay, John Simon made a motion to take it off the table.
I'll second
Carl seconded the motion to take it off the table. All in favor?
that. Aye.
So did you have discussion or motion, John?
Yeah, I'll make a motion that we pay these, we pay the not paid bill, or both of the bills that are highlighted.
All of the not paid bills are here. So, but the ones that were tabled are the yellow ones that are highlighted. All the not paid are not paid, but the ones that were tabled per se, are the two highlighted bills.
So the most we pay, two different, 1327, 8766, correct? I think that's what you're asking, John?
No. What is it?
What are we doing?
You approved the
We
eight,
approved this one.
you approved the bottom one, the 8,766, you've already approved that.
Okay.
The check, there's a check for
We made a
$10,000.
motion, yeah,
Yeah, that one was
to
already
do
approved,
up to,
8,800.
yeah. Now,
The 3,082 has not been approved or paid. And the 1,327 has not been approved or paid.
So we're being asked to pay the
1327.
2,082.
$1,327.
Is that one or that one plus the 3,000?
All three of them.
All three of them, yes.
And the work has all been done and.
It's all completed now.
Yeah,
Everything is done.
$4,400 hasn't been.
I just, at the last meeting where you chose the table, I was just going to vote no on that bill, but, mainly because I didn't understand, where it got from one thing to another. What I have since found out is somewhere along the line, it was chosen to become a diesel tank versus a gasoline tank, somewhere early in the game. A lot of the bills have to do with reporting to the DEP that it's now gonna be a diesel tank versus the ball float, and the, vent pipe had to do with the diesel tank doesn't have the same kind of vent as a gasoline tank, and the ball float doesn't. So ultimately, it seems that the last one, that was the 8766, was they tried to program the old computer system to go from gasoline to diesel, and it just would not do it. So that was probably even at the time we voted for the 88, I was under that we were fixing something that was broke, but I didn't understand that our old one didn't do diesel, so therefore had to be replaced after the fact. So.
Alright, so it's a difference of like $4,000 but it's completed now, we have a gas.
They
Yeah,
did the
maybe
work,
so.
we gotta pay it,
Yeah. Okay.
I was under the impression we were repairing, but we were transferring into a different system.
Actually, that was fortuitous, because we did buy 2 trucks that run on diesel.
We had a diesel tank out there,
Pardon?
we had a diesel tank out there too,
And
just was above
small.
ground.
Mm.
So, any motion?
I'll make the motion.
I'll second.
So Suzanne made a motion to approve
these bills, pay these bills.
What?
Make a motion that we pay the outstanding bills from the
Okay. I didn't hear the rest of your, so Suzanne already made the motion,
Yes,
that's why I was,
I'll
okay, you'll second, okay, that's why I was not sure what your comment was. John, second? All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.